Hello guys, so welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you this board we designed based around ESP32 microcontroller. So the purpose of this board is for ambient sensing. So as you can see, we have mounted here SCD41 sensor, so that's from Sensirion, and then we also have MEMS mic here. So the purpose of the SCD41 is to measure the CO2 level and also the temperature and humidity. As for the MEMS mic, so we use it for noise level measurement. Also, we put a buzzer here for alert, and then a bunch of LEDs for Wi-Fi prompt and alert. So basically now this board is programmed to measure CO2, temp and humidity every 5 seconds. So it basically wakes up the SCD41, measure the CO2, temp and humidity, print it on the logs, and then go to sleep for 5 seconds, and then it wakes up again. And then in parallel with that, so the MEMS mic is measuring noise level every second. So it's getting 1024 samples per second, and then average it and then print it every second. So additional features that will be added here is we would want the board to the buzzer to alarm when CO2 level exceeds a certain threshold, or temperature exceeds a certain threshold. So it will alarm. Also the alert LED will trigger. So for now, let me see you the logs we are getting as of the moment. So as you can see here, this is our board right here. So it's hooked up to our laptop, and then these are the logs it's printing. Sorry. So as of the moment, so as you can see, noise measurement appears every second, and then you will see CO2, temp and humidity readings every 10 seconds. So pardon me, I mentioned earlier it's every 5 seconds. So the sensor acquires data for 5 seconds. So this is the time it requires for it to measure CO2, temp and humidity, sorry. And after that, it prints the measured values, and then sleep for 10 seconds, and then wake up again and do the measurement.